In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the red eyes from your photographs. And I have a link below the video that will show you all the step-by-step instructions for removing the red eyes from your photograph. Here's the before and here's the after. I'll also provide a link to the program Pinta, which I'm using in case you're using Linux, Windows, or the Mac operating system. Let me minimize my web browser. Let me open up a photo that actually has the red eye, and I'm using the same image that I used on my website. I'm going to go to my view menu, choose the best fit so it zooms in to where it's not creating my scroll bars. I'm going to select my lasso tool. You can also choose the rectangle select, but since I used the lasso tool on my web page, I will stay consistent. Hold down the control key while you're selecting each individual eye. Now, I'm not doing a great job, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Now, I actually have both eyes selected. Now, you're going to go to the effects menu, highlight photo, click on the photo or red eye removal, and it will bring up a dialog box. When the dialog box appears, you're going to adjust your tolerance, and if you reduce the tolerance to reduce the red eye. Around 57, as you can see, the red in the pupil is now gone. You can now adjust your saturation percentage. I'll leave it around here, and it shows you a little hint here. It says for best results, first use the selection tool to select each eye, and that's what I did. Now I hit OK. The red eye is gone. Now you can hit the save button and it will overwrite your existing image on your computer, or if you'd like to compare the two, you can go to File, Save As, and you can give this one a new name. I'll go -02, and then I hit the save button, hit OK. Now I'm ready to close the program, Pinta. Let it create a thumbnail. There we go. I'm going to double click to open my image viewer. There's the original image, and I'm going to pull it over here where you can see my little nephew's son. I double click the one that I actually removed the red eyes from. Let me pull them both up, and as you can see here by comparing the two, here's the before image and here is the after image. So you can see here it was a very simple task to remove the red eyes. So if you have images or photographs that have red eyes in them, using Pinta is an easy way to remove the red eyes. Hopefully this has been beneficial to you, and have a great day.